Hi kids! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mathematics for Humanity episode number 7. And in this episode, we're going to do again different methods of multiplication, but this time we'll do crossing sticks. And what is that? Well, just wait for some few moments. But by the way, please don't forget to share this video to help others. By the way, we've made um, other videos previous to this, like for example video number 2 we had addition, and the next to that is subtraction and negative numbers, and then we made also a video more on negative numbers, and then we had basics of multiplication, and previous to this video we had different methods of multiplication, and that method was on partial addition. So I hope you got that previous video. And this time we'll do crossing sticks, and we'll start immediately with these examples. So we'll start with 4 times 8. So we draw these sticks. Just follow the procedure that I'm going to do, and then you're good to go. So for example, we have 4 times 8, then we draw 4 sticks and 8 sticks crossing the 4 sticks. So let's do this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we cross 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have here 4 sticks, and we have here 8 sticks. And let's count the intersections of this crossed sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That is the product of 4 times 8. So 4 times 8 would be 32. And this is of course equal to 8 times 4. It's the same. Or you can also say that this is also equal to negative 8 times negative 4 equals 32. Or negative 4 times 32 times negative 8 equals 32. By the way, forget about the signs in crossing sticks. Put the sign at the end or at the result. So next example would be 9 times negative 3. So let's erase this. Okay. So this is 32. How about 9 times negative 3? So let's draw lines again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then we draw 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. So we have here 9 sticks and 3 sticks. Forget about the sign. Let's put the sign at the result. So let's now count the intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So therefore, 9 times 3 would be 27. And then you have 9 times negative 3 would be negative 27, because when you multiply a positive number to a negative number, the result is always negative. Or when you multiply a negative number to a positive number, it's also negative. And when you multiply both numbers which are positive, then it will give you with a positive number. And also, if you multiply two negative numbers, it will give you another positive number. So that's the second one. And then we go to the third one. We have 5, negative 5 times negative 6. So again, we draw sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have 5 and then you have 6 here. So let's now count the intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So therefore, 5 times 6 is 30. And we also have negative 5 times negative 6 equals 30. You can write this as negative 6 times negative 5 also. That's also 30. So that's it, folks, for crossing the sticks. But we have small numbers. How about bigger numbers? Let's go to the next slide. So, for example, we have done these ones in the previous video. Let's try solving them using crossing sticks. Okay, let's do this. It would be very difficult for you to write or to draw 47 sticks. We have difficulty in drawing 9 sticks in the previous slide. How much more 47? Or how much more 67,249? Then you're counting all the intersections. So we modify the crossing the sticks and we'll do it like this. So let's start with 47 times 8. We write 4 here and 7 here, and then we write 8 here. And then we multiply 4 times 8, this is 32, and then 7 times 8 would be 56. So let's do the additional trick. Let's draw a diagonal here connecting this one and that one, and also this one. This one is 32. You actually have to add the numbers that is crossed by the diagonal. So you have 32 here and 56 here. So let's do this. Let's start with 56 here. Let's do it here, and then you have 32. So if you add them, make an inverted stair. So you have here, again, you have to put some space in here, making it an inverted stair. So you can just add the columns. Then 6 plus 0 would be 6, and then 5 plus 2 would be 7, then 0 plus 3 would be 3. So your answer would be 376 for that. Isn't it easy? So let's do the next one. Let's do 59 times 37. Okay. So you write 5 here and 9 here, and then 3 and 7 here. So let's do this. 5 times 3 would be 15. and then 9 times 3 would be 27, and then 5 times 7 would be 35, and then 9 times 7 would be 63. And then we draw the diagonals, this one, and this one. In this diagonal you have 15. You add the numbers. In this diagonal you have 27 plus 35, this is 62, and then this one is 63. So we now add these numbers here. So you have 63. Let's start at the lowest or the bottomest diagonal, 63. Then we have 62 here, and then we have 15 here. Make an inverted staircase. So you have 3, and then 6 plus 2 would be 8, and then 1 plus 6 would be 11. You have to carry 1 here, and then you have 2183. So that's the correct answer here. Now let's go a little further, more difficult, more numbers. So let's do this. Let's do this one. Okay. So we write 5 here, 8, 0, and 7. And then we write 4 here, 6, and 9. 5 times 4 would be 20. And then 4 times 8 would be 32. And then 0 times 4 would be 0. 4 times 7 would be 28. Then you have 6 times 5 would be 30. And then you have 6 times 8 would have 48. 6 times 0 would be 0. 6 times 7 would be 42. 9 times 5 would be 45. And then 8 times 9 would be 72. And then 9 times 0 would be 0. And 9 times 7 would be 63. 3. So you can now draw the diagonal here, 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 and here. So let's start with at the bottom we have 63, and then 42 plus 0 would be 42. 28 plus 72 would be 100. And then 48 plus 45 would be 93. And then 32 plus 30 would be 62. And then 20 here. So we have now 63. And then we have 42. Then we have 100. 100. And then we have 93. And then we have 62. And then we have 20. So let's add this. So 3 would be here. 6 plus 2 would be 8. And then 4 plus 0 would be 4. And then 0 plus 3 would be 3. And then 1 plus 9 plus 2 is 12. So you have to put 2 here. And then you have to carry 1 here. So 1 plus 6 plus 0 would be 7. And then you have 2. So you have 2,723,483, which is the same as this one. So that's how you do crossing the sticks. So you're multiplying a little faster here in this method. Let's now do a big number here, this one. So let's do that. So kids, you can just show this to your parents and let them show more numbers, give you more examples doing this method. This is a little easy. This is self-explanatory to them. So you have 67,249. and then you multiply that with 58,306. 58,306. So now 5 times 3 would be 30, and then 5 times 7 would be 35, 5 times 2 would be 10, 4 times 5 would be 20, and then 9 times 5 would be 45. 8 times 6 would be 48, 8 times 7 would be 56, 8 times 2 would be 16, 8 times 4 would be 32, then 8 times 9 would be 72. I hope I didn't make a mistake. 3 times 6 would be 18, and then 3 times 7 would be 21, 3 times 2 would be 6, 3 times 4 would be 12, 3 times 9 would be 27, and then you have all zeros here because you're multiplying a 0. And then 6 times 6 would be 36, 6 times 7 would be 42, 6 times 2 would be 12, 6 times 4 would be 24, and 6 times 9 would be 30. 54. So let's now draw the diagonals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 diagonals. So now you have here 54. Here you have 0 plus 24 is 24. Then you have 27 plus 12 would be 39. I hope we got them all right. 72 plus 12 would be 84, plus 0 would be 84, plus 42 would be 86, 126. 45 plus 32 would be 77, plus 6 would be 83, plus 0, 83, plus 36 would be 89, plus 30 would be 119. Okay, 119. So this is 20 plus 16 would be 36, plus 21 would be 36, plus 21 would be 57, plus 0. So this is 57. And then 10 plus 56 would be 66, plus 18 would be 70, would be 82 here. And then 35 plus 48 would be 83, and then you have 30 here. So let's do the addition now. This is a long one, but let's do it slowly. This is 54, and then you have 24, and then you have 39. I hope we got them all right, or else we have to do it again. 126, and then 119, and then 57 here, and then we have 82 here, and then we have 83, and we have 30. Okay, let's bring down 4. 5 plus 4 would be 9. 2 plus 9 would be 11, and then carry 1 here would be 0, because the 1 plus 3 plus 6 would be 10. You have to carry 1 here again, and this is 12, and carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 7 would be 10. You have to carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 would be 9. And then you have, so this is now 1 plus 1, this is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. And so this is now a mistake that we have committed here. So this is so maybe we have a mistake here. 45 plus 32 would be 77, plus 6 would be 83. 83 plus 6. Here, let's look at this diagonal here. 45 plus 32 would be 77, plus 6 would be 83, plus 0 would be 83, plus 36 would be 89, plus 30 would be 129. This is 129. Yeah, 89 plus 30. This is 119. I'm sorry, that's correct. So that's 119. How about here? 10 plus 56 would be so this is now 84. This is not 82. This diagonal here, so we made a mistake, but it's all right. We can do with that. This is 84. It's not 82. So this is 84 here. So we have to write 84 here. Okay, so we have now here 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 would be 11. So this one I have to erase. So this is 1 plus, this is 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 would be 11. And then we have to carry 1 here. 1 plus 8 would be 9, plus 3 would be 12. So you have to put down 2 there, and then you have to carry 1 here. 1 plus 8 plus 0 would be 9, and then we have 3. So we have the result is 3,921,020,194. This one here. It's correct now. Now, we committed a mistake, so just be careful next time. But once you do the practice and everything, you will easily find your mistakes, and then you can just correct them. Just be careful. Don't worry. Everybody commits a mistake, and that's what you have to learn. You don't have to be perfect. Just do it correctly. Correct your mistake next time, and then things will just go out fine. Don't worry. Mistakes are inevitable. They are always there. People commit mistakes. That's all for now, and I hope that you've learned something about crossing sticks, multiplication by crossing sticks. And to view more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and share the video to help others. Watch out for the new math videos soon, and very soon I'm going to again do another method of multiplication. Watch out for that, and we're gonna be doing the same numbers, and then we'll prove that that method is also all right. See you next time.